Man who disarmed and shot cop captured at St. Andrew guest house.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, Ricardo Richards, otherwise called Kaka, the man who disarmed and shot a policeman in his abdomen at the National Chest Hospital on Friday the 12th of March before escaping, has been captured. He was reportedly caught at a guest house in St. Andrew on Friday the 19th of March. At the time of his escape, the 31-year-old, who is of a Dirt Road Bulby St. Andrew address, was being held on charges of murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and shooting with intent.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!